Hey there, welcome back to another video on this channel. Today we are going to do a cook and chat with me. I'm going to be cooking rice and groundnut soup, and I'm going to share with you guys how I have been running my two YouTube channels from Cameroon, how I succeeded to monetize these two channels, and how I have been able to receive pay every month from YouTube for the past 1 year, 4 months. If this is something you are interested in, keep watching and watch till the end because I have an offer for you. So if you are watching this video, I am assuming that you either have a YouTube channel or you are considering starting a YouTube channel in the year 2025. Today, I'm going to share with you all how I monetize my two YouTube channels. I have two YouTube channels. One of them I've had for six to 7 years, and the other it's going to be getting to 3 years. Okay, and I succeeded to monetize both YouTube channels. Today I'm going to tell you guys how and why I started my YouTube channels. I'm also going to share how you can start your YouTube channel and of course how you can monetize your YouTube channel. At some point in this month of February 2025, I am going to organize a free WhatsApp class for all those who want to start YouTube channels in Cameroon. Why? Because I have benefited a lot from YouTube in the past years, and I know that you can benefit. So I'm going to be organizing a free WhatsApp class where anybody from anywhere can join. I'm going to leave my WhatsApp link in the comment section. The first comment is going to be pinned, and then in the description box as well, you're going to find my WhatsApp link. So if you are interested in the free YouTube class or in the paid YouTube class, now I'm going to have a free class where I'm going to share general stuff like how you can start your YouTube channel, some of the general challenges that we face as Cameroonian YouTubers, how you can maneuver those challenges. I'm going to talk about things like monetization, the basics. I'm going to talk about editing softwares that you can use and just helping you to overall boost your confidence and launch you into starting your YouTube channel. Now for the paid class, which is going to come after the free class, we are going to go in depth into monetization, into niches. Okay, one of the things I realized that has stunted the growth of us, a lot of Cameroonian YouTubers, is because we do not understand niches and we just go into YouTube and yeah, I'm going to say that and leave it at that. But if you're going to come for the paid class, which is going to be one of the cheapest classes I have ever organized, the cheapest I have ever heard anybody organize, okay, I would advise you to first of all join the free class so you get a taste of what you can be getting if you pay for the paid class. Now let's jump into why I started my YouTube channel. I was done with my university. I have a couple of pointers here. I don't want to forget anything. So I was done with school and I got married. I started having kids. I was a stay-home mom. Okay, I am a stay-home mom. So I didn't have like a 9 to 5 job where I go to. So I started trying to find out what can I do. And then we're also planning to travel. So before we traveled, I decided to learn how to do hair. That was the thing. Like I knew that, they always say when you want to travel, it's good to have like a, what they call it, handwork, like skill, something you can do. So I started learning how to do hair. And where did I learn how to do hair? On YouTube. The thing with YouTube is once you're a consumer on YouTube, you become tempted to become a creator, which is not bad because there's a lot of benefits that come with being a creator on YouTube. So as I was watching those hair videos, learning how to do crochet, I used to plait my hair, I used to make wigs. I still can, but maybe not perfect because I've left it off for a long time. But I learned how to do all those things on YouTube. And then, of course, I'm in my own home now. So when I want to cook something that my mom used to cook, I'll be like, did she used to cook crayfish? Let me not go and spoil this food. Oh. I'll go on YouTube and check for a recipe. And that's how I found CCME. I found her recipe videos, and then I came across her vlogs. And I was like, wow, this woman is a stay-home mom. I started finding a lot of them. I found more Nigerians until I found one Cameroonian. I think I found two Cameroonians. That was Funkeng Dolly and Kenakia. So I was like, I can't do this. I should do this. So I was pregnant when I started considering the idea. And then I gave birth to my daughter. 2 weeks after she was born, I launched into my YouTube channel. That was in 2018. I think that was, baby, please don't make noise. I think that was September 2018. 2 weeks after I had her. That should be like maybe ending September. Yes, because I had her, I think, 14th of September. Was it 14th? Yes, 14th of September. So I started my YouTube channel. And since then, I've just been evolving and evolving and evolving. The channel started as, that was my first channel, which is now like 6 years old. right? As my daughter grows, my channel grows. So that channel is 6 years old. It started as JD Speaks. I intended to just do a lot of talking on the channel, like sharing my ideas, my opinions. I like to talk. So, but at some point, when you consume a lot of vlogs, you're like, I can try this. I like it. So I started vlogging. The channel has just evolved from JD Speaks to Juditha's Journey, and currently Journey with Juditha. And now I do not vlog. I mostly do sit down videos where I talk about marriage. I have a series on the channel called The Godly Wife Diaries, and that's what I am focusing on that channel. Now, how did I end up having this channel where you're watching this video, which is my second channel, which I think I have done amazingly well with this channel, given the length of time I've been on this channel and comparing to the growth of my first channel. And I would give gratitude, or I don't know what to say. I'll give credit to the mistakes that I made on my first channel. I learned a lot from there, and then I transferred the knowledge now to my second channel, which is why you should be able to trust me when I say I'm organizing a YouTube class. So I started this channel, and you guys, this channel got monetized in 5 hours. Not like 5 hours after I started the channel. I think I got monetized like maybe slightly above a year after I started this channel, or maybe slightly under a year. I'll try to verify and put on the screen. But then when I applied for monetization, it didn't take up to 5 hours for my channel to get monetized. It was like boom, boom, boom. I started placing ads on my channel, and I started making money on this channel. This is to say that what you should be interested in the free class and the paid class, because the paid class is going to be in depth. The free class, I will speak the confidence into you to start your YouTube channel. I will tell you why you should start your YouTube channel. I will share with you some of the challenges that you might encounter. I'll tell you how to overcome those challenges. I will push you into starting that channel that you've been procrastinating on starting. And also, you should trust me, because I have worked with people who are currently monetized. I will leave some of the channels on the screen. I've worked with people who are not yet monetized, but I think that with YouTube, you get monetized as per the work that you put into your channel. So you should be interested in starting a YouTube channel in 2025. Let me not say much, okay? Okay, before we continue, I think we should go ahead and put rice on the fire, because water has been boiling for a while now. Let's put rice on the fire. Sorry? I'm cooking what? Rice and groundnut soup? Yes, Daniel. I'm cooking rice and groundnut soup. Okay, let's put our rice. So you guys, these are all the ingredients I'm going to use. I washed my groundnut because the dust in the market, I washed it and then I left it in the strainer to get dry. I'm going to fry it. That's my tomato. This is my fish, my onions, my green spices, a little bit of crayfish. If you don't add crayfish into your groundnut soup, try it. Don't add a lot. Add even just a teaspoon like of blended crayfish. It makes a whole lot of difference. But if you add a lot, it's going to overpower your soup. This is my garlic and ginger. I have to blend it, and these are all my ingredients. And this is my rice. So our groundnut soup is ready. Let's taste it. Okay, it's good. Let's put in our fish. I like to eat my fish dry, but I'm going to put the rest in. Should I? Maybe I should just leave it out for everybody. What do you think? What do you think? But the soup tastes good. I'm going to serve myself. I want to eat. So you guys, we have come to the end of this video. do well to click on my WhatsApp link so that we can have a further conversation. If you are considering starting a YouTube channel, mentorship is something that you should not take lightly. Don't start without getting advice from somebody who has already gone ahead, who has started and has made so many mistakes. See you guys on WhatsApp, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel. Click that subscribe button. Okay, if you are already subscribed, just like the video, share the video and turn on your notification bell so that when I post the next video, you'll be one of the first people to know. My camera is going down. This is my plate and it's looking good. The last time I cooked groundnut soup, I used a lot of crayfish and it overpowered the groundnut. This one is yum. Okay. This is good. It's good.